And I think it all comes down to dialogue. And you throw your chips on the table. And you have the dialogue. If you have the dialogue, and you may say, "Hey, look, here's kind of the gig. You scare the hell out of me." Think about it. You scare the hell out of me. You got 20 years more experience than I've got, or you've seen it all. Um, you know, what gives?
Mm.
And then you go through the dialogue and you say, look, this is my fear.
Mm.
This is my concern. And you let the other person answer. And you go, hey, look, the other person may say, hey, look, this is what I bring to the table. This is how I can help you. This is why I can help you. And it's not about, I may have been a $500,000 person before, and this is a $200,000, $250,000 job.
Mm-hmm.
It's not about the money for me. I've made money.
Yeah.
It's about, it's about the benefit of helping an organization grow.
Mm.
It's about something different. And then it's about, a mutual respect, and you're the boss. I'm willing to, I'm not here to challenge you. I'm not here to fight you. I'm just here to go do a great job for a company that values my experience.
Mm.
Yeah.
I like it. And then, I think that's a skill too. The ability to kind of sit down and have that conversation. Obviously, you can have the honesty only going one way. You can have the honesty going from you to them. The question is, how do you pull the honesty out of them? And there's a skill to drawing out somebody's real motivation in conversation like that, and keep on digging until you get to the real why.